This is a vintage Sharp red LED digital AM FM radio alarm clock with a built-in TV set, as you can see. And the model number for this thing is 3T-57. TV, radio, and digital clock. Again, made by Sharp. Here is the volume control. There's the radio tuning knob. Here are the stations. Here's the radio switches for FM, AFC, FM, and AM. Right here is the power switch for the radio and TV. Up here would be for your TV stations, and this would be for your signal thing, I would say, for signal for your TV. There's your tuning knob for the TV. And here is the TV screen itself. Alright, come on camera, don't lose focus. Now up here we have a radio digital light. Again, Sharp. Over here are the controls for your radio. We have auto, on and off, dimmer, sleep, fast, slow, time, and snooze, wake. Up here would be your speaker. In fact, here it is right here. Now, let's take a look at the sides here. Wood grained finish, as you can see. Earphone. There's the other side of the unit. There's the bottom of it right here. Now I gotta put this down carefully. There we go. Now let me turn this thing around so you can see the back of it. This thing is a little heavy. Little heavy. Alright, so here's the back of the system. There's brightness for your TV, contrast, and I think those are for signals. I don't know what the other switch up there is for. Antenna thingy. As you can see, again, the model number for this thing is 3T-57. Made in Japan. Manufactured August of 1978. So yes, built in August of 1978. And the system is from 1978. Yeah, I keep saying 1978 where we just already know that it was built in 78. So yeah, there we go. I honestly don't know what this part is right here. If any of you have any idea what this is, let me know in the comments below. And also let me know for the comments for what these things are for. I know, I just keep it down here for now. Now, I am going to go ahead and turn on the TV, but the problem is I would not be getting any signal because, I'll show you right now. See, there's the antenna for it, but the problem is it's busted. As you can see, the top part of the thing is missing. It's completely broken off, and I can't even get the other parts to go up either, so this thing is completely stuck. I would use the pliers to try to release this thing, but if I do, I would end up crushing this thing as well, so that's a total bummer right here. But I'm still gonna go ahead and turn on the TV anyway, so here we go. Okay, as you can see, and as I do this, this is all it does. This just to let you know that the TV is having issues. Yeah, let me see if I can at least change the brightness. I don't know if I'm touching the right switch. I think I am. Wait. Okay, I think this is it right here. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Whoa, didn't need to do that. Alright, contrast. Let's see what this does. It doesn't pretty much do anything. So yeah, the TV obviously does not work because obviously because of the busted antenna. But that's a total bummer. Man, if the TV was working, I would show you at least some of it, but yeah, sadly the TV does not work. All because of the antenna is busted. Alright. Just went ahead and turned off the TV, and of course, come on camera, focus. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the radio. The radio does work fine, and we turn it on right now.
Foundation. And we're
Alright, we're going to change this to FM now. Well, obviously FM is just the same thing, but yeah, FM is just the same thing, but now we're going to do AM. Let's look at it. There we go.
He is absolutely every bit as capable as serving as anybody.
Alright, we're going to change this back to FM. Alright you guys, well, there you go, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this vintage 1978 Sharp LED digital AM/FM radio alarm clock with the built-in television set. Again, the model number for this thing is 3T-57 built in August of 1978. So again, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. I'm Sacco Lombardi King Magnum 05 here, and I will see you all later.